Slider window installation is a popular choice for homeowners in Mesa looking to enhance their property's aesthetic and functionality. With energy-efficient windows and slider windows Mesa, you can significantly reduce your energy bills while enjoying a comfortable indoor environment. Our window frame replacement services in Mesa ensure that your windows are not only stylish but also durable and long-lasting. Energy-efficient windows in Mesa, including slider windows Mesa, are designed to keep your home cool in the summer and warm in the winter, providing excellent insulation. Double-pane windows are a great option for those seeking to improve their home's energy efficiency and noise reduction. Vinyl window replacement in Mesa offers a cost-effective solution for upgrading your windows without compromising on quality. Custom window solutions in Mesa, such as slider windows Mesa, allow you to tailor your windows to fit your specific needs and preferences. Whether you need window glass installation or home window upgrades, our team of experts is here to help. Window seal installation is essential for maintaining the integrity of your windows and preventing drafts. Window hardware replacement in Mesa, along with slider windows Mesa, ensures that your windows operate smoothly and securely. Our residential window services cover everything from installation to maintenance, providing you with peace of mind. Window insulation improvement is crucial for enhancing your home's energy efficiency and comfort. Explore our wide range of window style options in Mesa, including slider windows Mesa, to find the perfect match for your home's architecture. Our window maintenance services ensure that your windows remain in top condition for years to come. Window screen replacement is a simple yet effective way to improve your home's ventilation and keep pests out. Window weatherproofing in Mesa protects your home from the elements, ensuring that your slider windows Mesa and other window types remain functional and efficient. Our window measurement services guarantee a perfect fit for your new windows, eliminating any guesswork. Window design consultation helps you make informed decisions about your window upgrades. With our window installation warranty, you can rest assured that your investment in slider windows Mesa and other window types is protected. Understanding the window replacement cost in Mesa is essential for budgeting your home improvement project. Window energy savings can significantly reduce your utility bills, making it a smart investment for any homeowner. Window noise reduction is a key benefit of upgrading to double-pane windows and slider windows Mesa, providing a quieter and more peaceful home environment. Window UV protection helps preserve your furniture and flooring by blocking harmful ultraviolet rays. Window security features in Mesa offer added peace of mind, keeping your home safe and secure. Our team of window installation experts in Mesa is dedicated to providing top-notch service and quality craftsmanship. Slider windows Mesa are a popular choice for those looking to enhance their home's style and functionality. Energy-efficient windows in Mesa are an excellent investment for any homeowner looking to reduce their carbon footprint. Mesa window frame replacement services ensure that your windows are both stylish and durable. Double-pane windows in Mesa, as well as slider windows Mesa, offer superior insulation and noise reduction, making them a popular choice for homeowners. Vinyl window replacement in Mesa provides a cost-effective solution for upgrading your windows. Looking for top-notch slider window installation in Mesa? Our team of window installation experts in Mesa specializes in providing energy-efficient windows, slider windows Mesa, and custom window solutions tailored to your needs. Whether you need vinyl window replacement or double-pane windows, we ensure your home benefits from window energy savings and window noise reduction. Our residential window services in Mesa include comprehensive window frame replacement and window glass installation to enhance your home's aesthetics and functionality. Upgrade your home with our window style options and window maintenance services in Mesa, including slider windows Mesa. We offer window design consultation and window measurement services to ensure a perfect fit for your new windows. Our window installation warranty guarantees peace of mind, while our window insulation improvement services help maintain a comfortable indoor environment. Choose from a variety of window screen replacement and window weatherproofing options to protect your home from the elements. Concerned about window replacement cost in Mesa? We provide competitive pricing and detailed estimates for all our services, including window seal installation, slider windows Mesa, and window hardware replacement. Our window UV protection and window security features add an extra layer of safety and comfort to your home. Trust our window installation experts in Mesa to deliver exceptional results with every project. For those in need of window glass installation Mesa or window seal installation Mesa, our skilled technicians are ready to assist. We also offer window hardware replacement Mesa, slider windows Mesa, and window screen replacement Mesa to keep your windows in top condition. Our window weatherproofing Mesa services ensure your home is protected from harsh weather conditions, while our window insulation improvement Mesa services enhance energy efficiency. Explore our custom window solutions Mesa and window style options Mesa, including slider windows Mesa, to find the perfect match for your home. Our window design consultation Mesa services help you choose the right windows to complement your home's architecture. With our window installation warranty Mesa, you can rest assured that your investment is protected. Experience the benefits of window energy savings Mesa and window noise reduction Mesa with our high-quality window products and services. In Mesa, window frame replacement and vinyl window replacement are essential for maintaining your home's value and comfort. Our window installation experts Mesa are dedicated to providing superior service and craftsmanship. From window UV protection Mesa to window security features Mesa, we offer a wide range of options, including slider windows Mesa, to meet your needs. Contact us today for all your home window upgrades Mesa and residential window services Mesa.